Worldly treats with no meats, everybody. Today's a rich and delicious dish from the coast of Costa Rica. Settle in for some fun in the sun. Costa Rica, literally Spanish for rich coast, is a small country located near Panama and Nicaragua. Like other Central American countries, it borders both the Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean. As its name would imply, it is a Spanish-speaking nation, which makes it part of Latin America. Indigenous peoples have lived in the area since at least 10,000 years ago. The first European contact was made by Christopher Columbus during his final voyage in 1502, who is believed to have given the land its current name. The land was colonized as part of New Spain, though it was often seen as the poorest of the Spanish colonies. After the Mexican War of Independence, Costa Rica became an autonomous province of Guatemala and the later part of the Republic of Central America. There was a civil war in the nation during this time, and when the Republic dissolved, Costa Rica became an independent nation. Most point to the production and sale of coffee as the reason that the country was able to be modernized and gain economic growth. After a violent civil war in 1948, which ended with the rebels being victorious, led to the new government abolishing the country's military. Since then, the nation has been ruled under a democracy and is now one of the most stable nations in the region. 4.8 million people live in Costa Rica. Its capital and largest city is San Jose, located near the country's center. It is a tropical country located near the equator. Costa Rica is known for its rich variety of plant and animal life, making up 5% of the world's biodiversity. An entire quarter of the country's land area is made of protected forests and jungles and national parks. Costa Rica has a rich cultural heritage, as it was the area where Mesoamerican and South American indigenous cultures met. Costa Rica is the most visited country in all of Central America. You will need a tablespoon of select tasting oil, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 small onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 cup of cooked black beans with half a cup of reserve cooking liquid. Low sodium canned beans in their liquid can be substituted here if time is in the essence, but if you do have the time to soak and cook the beans from dried, the flavor and texture will be a big reward. A quarter cup of salsa Lozano. If you're absolutely unable to locate salsa Lozano, you can use this recipe with Worcestershire sauce, but the flavor will not be as traditional. 1.5 cups cooked rice, preferably day old and refrigerated. If using Worcestershire sauce, add ground cumin to the rice to bring some of the smokiness of the Lozano to the dish. 1/8 cup of fresh cilantro. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet under medium-high heat until simmering. Saute chopped bell pepper and onions until peppers are soft and onions are translucent, about 6 to 8 minutes. Add minced garlic and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Add the black beans, reserve cooking liquid, and salsa Lozano, stirring to combine. Simmer for 5 minutes until slightly thickened and a little bit of the liquid is evaporated. Gently stir in the cooked rice and cook till heated through and most of the liquid is absorbed but not dry, about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in chopped cilantro. Season to taste with additional salsa Lozano. We added about a tablespoon. It's got nice, there's lots of flavor, lots of texture. That's good. Maybe this whole bowl over here.